Hello students, this is a private class with the Millennium Teacher, also known as the Time Class. It is the class that teaches the lessons of life based on facts to transform, inspire, motivate, and educate you about life. You're welcome to class. If you are new here, please enroll for the class by following us on our social media handles. On TikTok at the private class, on Instagram at the Millennium Teacher, on Facebook and YouTube at GNBC Vlog. Please enroll for the class and don't forget to comment, like and share the lesson with others so they too can learn as well. In today's class, we are going to discuss the final process of editing, which is adding effects, based on my book titled Life is a Movie, A Call to Action. If you are to watch a movie in the raw state that it was acted, you will probably not find interest in that movie. Because in the raw state of a movie, where no effects are added, the story will not be that compelling. The reason why effects are added to movies is to bring the story to life. Effects are what makes the movie more interesting. There are so many things that happen in movies that are not true, and most of them cannot even happen in real life. For example, in real life, no man can fly in the air. But in movies, we see people flying, like Superman, Spider-Man. They fly in movies. It is because of the special effects. When editing a movie, the editor is able to add all these effects that will give characters the ability to do so many things which in real life are not possible. Special effects bring the movie to life. The filmmakers are able to make so many things possible in movies with the help of effects. Let's say, for example, in this video that you are watching now, you can see the environment. With the help of effects, this environment can change completely to a different kind of setting. With the use of special effects, editors are able to even create a whole new environment. An environment that in real life is not possible. They can even create that. Most of the things, like I said, that happen, like for example, the accident that occur in movies, it's not real. It's not that accident cannot occur in movies. It's not real. It's special effects that make it possible. You see in movies, people shot to death, but it is not real. It is the special effect that make that possible. You will see heavy storms taking place. You will see earthquakes taking place. It's because of special effects. You will see fire accidents wherein a whole building or a whole city or a whole country, even the whole world, will be on fire. It's because of special effects that are added to the movie. If you are to watch the movie behind the scenes, you will not see all that. It is a special effect that are added to the movies that make it more interesting to you and I. So when we watch the movie, we enjoy it. Most of the stunts that the characters do in movies, they cannot do it in real life. It's special effects that enhance them to be able to do most of those things they do. And without special effects, the movie will not be that interesting. The editor fine-tunes the movie by adding effects to it. So effects are very necessary in the editing of a movie. How about life? We have agreed in this class that life is a movie. And like every movie, life needs to be edited. And one of the ways we can edit our lifestyles is by adding special effects. To add effects to our lives means to add value to our lives. There are certain things that people do not know us for in normal circumstance. If you can add them to your life, that is an effect. Learn more skills. Advance in your career. That is a special effect you have added to your lifestyle. If you can also change your way of living, the bad habits that you used to do, if you can be able to get rid of them and apply good habits, that is a special effect you have added to your life. You will find it that most people will be interested in you because of the change of lifestyle. You can even change the way you dress. That is a special effect. A change of environment is a special effect. Your house should not remain the same way it used to be. You can beautify it. You can make it look more good. That is a special effect. Improving on your business is a special effect. You can do so many things that will make your life look extraordinary. It doesn't mean that you have to go do the wrong thing. No. You can just do small things that will make a bigger change on your life. That is an effect you have added to yourself. Learning a skill is an effect. Advancing in your career is an effect you have added to your life. Disciplining yourself to do the right thing is an effect you have added to your life. You should not just remain the same way you used to be. When you add value to yourself, people will find interest in you. Just like people find interest in movies that have been edited with good special effects, in the same way, people will find interest in you if you add value to your life. You can fine-tune your lifestyle if you are to add value to yourself. Life is a movie. If we add value to the ways we live, life will be more interesting. So this takes us to the end of the class for today, and I hope you have learned something. In our next class, we're going to start talking about characters. Yes, according to my book, Life is a Movie, every man and woman is a character responsible for playing various roles in the movie called life. So, there's so many things we're going to learn as we continue the lesson, okay? Thank you so much for being in class today. Till we meet again, I have been your teacher, Solomon Joseph Kekora. Class dismissed.